Okay, hopefully this is recording. Because I just lost 4 minutes, because it's not. Looks like it is this time. But yeah, I'm going back and hunting down some stuff. You were saying something. What were you saying? Oh! Don't know what this does. Oh. Hey, dude, what's standing there next to... Okay. Oh. I'm gonna die falling off the damn... Yeah, I'm gonna die just doing this. So I played this a little bit on stream last night, and... God damn it, I just said all this too. And I found a few things. I didn't play anything outside of what I played here. I just, I would start a new file and started messing with it. But, I found a couple things that I did not find while playing this, so I wanted to go back and grab them really quickly. Apparently, you're not supposed to go north to start off with. Like, you don't have to, and you're really not meant to. And I didn't know that. Fear me. Oh yeah, this. I still can't get in there. It just sounds like a big crushy block, and I don't know what it is, so I'll find out. There's so many little things and like little hidden areas and stuff in this. It's really good. How does one get over there? Oh yeah, yeah, in here. So there's a little hit block in there, and then you can just up to here, and there we go. I can now buy a new skill. I have enough. So we are going to finish exploring up here, and then I'm going to go back and buy another skill. Because the skills in the shop were not actually things I had. They are things I can purchase. So that's what I'm gonna go do after I do all this. Because yeah, it costs 3 of those little circuits, I guess. I don't quite know to get them. I just love that. I love that shot. It's so good. But I want to head back up here first, and then we'll just teleport back. Just because I think I missed something. Whoop. Whoop. Yep. I've gotten a little bit better at the combat, but my movement seems to be really off today. Okay. So, no, over here. Oh. Whoa, wait, I'm out of bullets. What? I didn't have my gun equipped. That's... I kept trying to shoot it, and I was like, why aren't I shooting? Alright, let's go this direction. See what's up. Because did we ever go back to Bird Guy here? I don't think I ever did. And there's health over here anyway, so... Hey, do you have anything for me? I mean... I did all that. I don't quite know... Okay, whatever. So I guess he doesn't have anything for us. So, yeah, no, this game is pretty fucking nice. Pretty good. Going to... Oh, I thought that was a secret for a second. I was gonna get really excited. And there's the really unsettling noise that I don't... My brain does not like that noise at all. Oh, hey. Cool. Circuit thing. That I did not find yesterday. Unsettling noise from those things. These towers make me feel uncomfortable. Which is, I guess, their entire purpose, but holy shit, I don't like it. So enemies do eventually respawn. That's good to learn. God, the world just... I want to know so much about it because there's nothing explained. And it's so... Like, what happened here? Like, these are like altars, and some of them are broken, and there's, it looks like cracked eggs and blood everywhere, and... I mean, is this what he was talking about, where... This, like, the bird guy was talking about, like, a bunch of sacrifices happen? Whose skeletons are these? And, like, what all happened here? Did humans come up and do that, and not other bird people, like I thought originally? Like, who did that? Where? Why? I want to know so badly. Yeah, no, I'm not screwing around with you. Just trying to wake my... So, the gun is the single most important thing that you have, honestly. Wait. The unsettling noise comes from that, too. Okay, so anything that's glowing pink, I don't want to fuck with. Good to know. Good to know. There's just something about those that makes me really... Oh. Yeah, I forgot about this. Oh, no. No, no. Holy shit, you guys do so much damage. I forgot how much damage you actually do. Holy crap. Don't dodge. Okay, so, like I said, I'm better at the combat now. No. I really don't know what. Oh, I just fucked all that up. It is so nice. I love this. I love the music. I love everything about this so much. Oh, it's so good. This is like 100% my aesthetic in terms of games. Like, I just love this kind of thing. And I'll never get tired of like pixel art styles and stuff. I know some people are really burnt out on them, but this style is... Because it'll stand up compared to a lot of other stuff. Like, it's gonna... It's not gonna look dated any more than it already does in, you know, 10 years. It's still gonna have nice fluid animation. It's still gonna be really well made and doesn't need... I don't know. It's just... It's so pretty. So I have to get to that thing, and I'm not sure what to do. I know we shouldn't go north, is what I learned. Like, you should not go north to start off with. So that's, of course, what I'm doing. Because I haven't gone over this direction yet. Oh, we're up to where it is. Yo. That is awesome. We just climbed up all the way around to where that... Oh, that's awesome. Oh. Hi. Okay, so this is gonna be the... Alright. So this is how this is gonna go, huh? Alright. Didn't realize that he was gonna be able to just track me after he shot. Whoops. I do like that you can take cover. See, the bullet bounce back would be nice right now. Not gonna lie. It would be super, super nice to have. Dang it. Oh. Oh, I'm out of... Okay, so I'm good in the melee combat, but not in ranged. Oh, so if I... Oh, it's timed too? Alright. So this is gonna be interesting, because I haven't been here before. I know we're not supposed to go up north. I think it was Griffin McElroy was saying, don't go north because it's kind of the worst place to go to start off with. And so of course that's where I'm going, because that's where I started. Oh, the transforming, like, combat area is so cool. That's such a nice touch. Oh, I thought I dodged off of that. Okay, never mind. Come on, have some health, please. Give me some health. None? Okay. Huh. Weird lights. Don't know what those are for. Oh, that's not what I meant to press. I didn't actually mean to press that. So I have to dodge 3 times to get across this. Okay. Ah, I dodged into the wall. Okay, I gotta shake the rust off. Ooh, oh boy. Oh, damn it. Okay, don't dodge through things. That's what I'm learning. Just don't. There's no iframes if you're going through. Oh. Oh boy. Okay. Didn't think it was gonna kick me all the way back here. What? I thought it was dead. Okay, that was my fault. I fucked that up. Oh well. Let's give that another shot. I'm just gonna cut to where I'm back up to where I was. Oh! So I just found this. Oh. So I just found this. And more of these creepy, make my head feel weird sounding things. So now we have health, and we are into a new room. You are different. You are glowing in your center. Your core is glowy and weird. You know what would be really great right now? The ability to knock back bullets. Not gonna lie. Be pretty awesome. Okay, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna go grab this health. Alright, oh, there's more. Okay, I thought I was done. Oh, I dodged into it. That's not good. That seems bad. That's a... What are you? Oh, no. Rockets? Rockets. Oh, no, dodge. Oh, God. Okay, this isn't good. Oh, come on. That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair at all. That wasn't fair because I couldn't do anything. It just went from downed animation to falling. That wasn't okay. Alright. Oh. Well, you made a strong showing for, fuck me, right? Okay. You guys are an actual oh! Well. I mean, I'm only doing a little bit worse this time. Hey, buddy. Okay, so rocket guys are coming. I like that they have a dash and they don't know how to use it properly either. Okay, so Rocket Boy starts right up here. Oh, no, he was right here, wasn't he? Yes, thank you. I have a fourth now. Essentially, those are ads, and this is a mini-boss. Oh, okay, it curves way quicker than I thought it did. The not having a... You have a backdash? Oh, that's interesting. Please no more of the rockets. Sweet. Hearts seem to be kind of a big deal, which is understandable. The guy who made the game, Alex, cannot remember his last name right now. I'll have to add it in. Hey, I got my piece. He ended up, one of the reasons the game took so long, besides obviously the fucking amount of work he put into it, is the fact that I think he had have to had a valve in his heart replaced. And also the company's name. Oh, fuck off with the engine revving. Why do people do that? It's not funny. It's not cute. Why did fuckers do that? And now they're cheering and clapping over the fact that somebody revved their fucking engine. God damn it. Hey, dude, bros. Nobody gives a fuck. Anyway. Yeah, I guess he had his... I mean, the company's name is Heart Machine, and then also, I guess he had a valve in his heart replaced? Which is pretty fucking metal. Okay, so we have to have 4 to get in there. This one needs 3, though. So let's see what this is. Watch, this is just a new dungeon that I have to go through. Oh no, this definitely looks like a new dungeon I have to go through. Okay. Let's go. We completed the other stuff, so let's get this. I actually don't know how long this game is. It seems, from what I've played, to be not super extensive, but fairly long for... Oh, what is this? Oh! Okay. Oh, this isn't good. I can't... I have to double dash, and I don't know how... Oh. Oh, this is not good. Okay, so that's what that is, then. Oh, you guys hit fast and hard! I thought they only fired once, not multiple times. Okay, that would be why, I just got my ass handed to me. Okay, now I know to just keep dashing on the platform there, and I should be fine then. Let's destroy all these just in case something special drops, because... You know, environmental destruction is always a good thing when you are looking for items. This is like Zelda meets Bloodborne meets something entirely its own, and I love it. Okay, let's go. Holy shit. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. So, let's try that again. I mean, I just died. I wonder if I can get around the corner there and... Yeah, I'm just gonna avoid them. I don't have to fight them. I don't think I'm even meant to. At least not yet. I think in this room I'm gonna have to. Luckily, all these guys are dumb one-hit kills. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, use cover. Hide in a corner. They are relentless. Okay, so... they have 3 charges, and they can create that field around them. So, it looks like... looks like the gun is gonna be, like, my best friend here. Nope. Nope. Bad, 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 bad. No. Okay. You know, maybe I'm just not meant to be... okay, well, at least I'm further up than I was. Let's try this a couple times. Maybe I'm really not meant to be here. Well, that was bad. Okay, you can do that. Gimme. Okay, so I have full rounds, and you are unaware. Okay, dead. Cool. The gun is so useful. Holy shit. I just have to remember to use that more regularly. And I didn't even have to heal. Okay, see, this is... I just have to remember the mechanics of this game. It's not as hard as I'm making it out to be. Okay. I can do this. So yeah, exciting things on the horizon for everything. Can't talk about it yet, because we haven't decided on some stuff, but things should be interesting in the next few months. Yeah. I'm gonna just tease that, because things should get very, very interesting soon. Oh, I can start chairs. Fuck all these chairs. Hey, thank you. Now I'm full health, and I have 3... I'm just calling them vials. Fuck it. That's really what they are to me right now. They're health vials. I'm destroying these in the hopes that there's another one of the circuits in these. Nope, no circuits. That's okay. I'll probably get another one at least from here. Okay, so that looks like where we're going. Definitely. Oh. That's not a boss door. Nope, not at all. Oh, hi. You are... okay. Oh, wow, you have a lot of health. Holy shit. Okay. Fuck me, right? Oh, I'm out. Oh, okay. Now he's teleporting more. Oh, holy shit. Okay, this boss is hype as fuck. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. You know how they say get good and all that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to really fucking get good for this. I don't know if I can actually do this with my current, like... with my current no extra skills or bullets thing. Yeah, no, that hurts. Yep. Okay. So this suddenly got let's give it one more shot. Let's give it one more shot, and I might have to go back and buy some skills and stuff and then make my way back up here. This is so the bosses are gonna be like this, huh? Oh jeez. Okay, don't dodge cardinal directions on that. Don't dodge diagonals. Yep. My instinct is to dodge diagonally away. And okay, one more shot. We did better the first time than that. My instinct is just to dodge diagonally away, which is not what you want to do. Oh shit! Don't dodge into a corner either. Oh, that one does cardinal. Oh, he mixes it up. Okay, yeah. Let's go back and buy some skills, and I will continue on to the next. Oh, what? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Can I go? What? Oh no. Am I trapped? Oh no. Okay, no, okay. There's a grid thing under there. That's cool. Yeah, so we're gonna come back to that. And on the next part, I will continue on, because... Okay, that shit's awesome, and I immediately am in love with that boss. Yeah. Anyway, have a nice night, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.